What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be the stockpile item of the week and some tips that you need to start over or to look over before you begin any couponing transaction. The stockpile item is coming from CVS this week. CVS has all laundry detergent on sale this week for $2.99, and there is $1 off of one coupon that's going to make this $1.99. There's a coupon that came out a couple weeks ago that expired 8/24, which was yesterday. So that is a coupon I'm going to be using in this transaction. But in today's inserts, I heard that there was another $1 off coupon coming out. So if we get that coupon, this is going to be a very good deal. So what I did, I actually got 2 of the all pods, and I used the $1 off of one all detergent that expired 8/24/19. At CVS, you can use a coupon if it expired within that same week. So I got 2. I used $2 off of one. I paid $1.99 for each. The total came up around to $3 and some change or something like that. So this is a good price for laundry detergent. So this is our stockpile item of the week to add to our stockpile. So again, this is at CVS. I hope that you get the $1 off coupon and you're able to get the all laundry detergent, because this will be a great item to add to your stockpile. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos.